Hello, and welcome to Global Seafoods. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our premium Pacific whiting, also known as hake. Caught fresh off the coast of Washington for the 2024 fishing season, this beautiful fish is expertly headed and gutted for your convenience. Pacific whiting is perfect for frying, with the bones and skin adding an extra layer of delicious flavor. Oh, right, or 5 pounds. And we'll deliver it right to your door, so you can experience the mild, delicate taste of the Pacific without leaving home. Thank you for choosing Global Seafoods. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on our seafood offerings.